So now that you know how to run a single test in Browser Stack, let's go ahead and parallelize those suckers so that we can run them all as fast as possible. So I'm going to do the similar thing as before again. Remember that using NUnit, we cannot run multiple test methods inside of a test class. So rather what we have to do is create a class for every single test. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this over. I'm going to paste that in here. I'm going to copy this over again. I'm going to create 3 tests, okay, just to show you guys that I'm not making this up and that it does work. Cool. So I got this test. Come over here and modify it. I'm going to call it my Solution Explorer. I'm going to call this one 2. Sucks it didn't update the class name. See how it doesn't update? Sometimes I hate that. I don't know why it does that, why Visual Studio does that. I wish it could just update automatically like it does in Java. And then this one, I'm going to call 3. Copy this just in case it doesn't update in Visual Studio as well. It didn't update here. So let me paste that here. So now our class name actually matches up to our CS file. And now let's just update a few other things. So in test 1, we're using Safari and OS X. So in test 2, let's see how this looks. Actually, I'm going to update this test because I want to check out how my site looks on mobile. So I'm going to go here. Courses.ultimateqa.com. Of course, this is not going to pass. So let me put true here. Sorry about that. I have this huge microphone in front of my face making typing extremely hard. So I'm not as efficient as I normally would be. Let me do that. And here, let's update to true as well. Actually, let's make this one fail. This will be awesome. And guys, remember this code is available on my Gist GitHub account. And I'm going to put the notes with these lectures as well for you to access it. The code that you're going to download from my Gists or from my GitHub account is going to be a little bit different because I'm obviously creating this on the fly as I'm teaching you guys. It's going to be a little bit different, but it will be pretty similar. So you shouldn't be too lost. It'll just be like different, the tests do like different things and stuff, and we run against different browsers. But anyway, so now I got this. Let me change which browsers I run against. I'm going to go here to docs C#, scroll down a bit, and let's see how my application looks on Windows 10 and Firefox 43. Resolution, I want to see a large resolution. So I'm going to copy over all of this, paste that in here. I hate how they did that. There you go. That's one test updated that's going to run in Firefox version 43. And let's update the other test to run in mobile. So if you want to run in mobile, you do that up here. So let me select an OS. Let me do Android, Samsung Galaxy S5. That sounds good. So I'm going to do this, select this. So that's going to be for our third test. And rather doing all of this, I'm going to paste the mobile and of course have to update this. Awesome.